Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be playing The Sims 4, and I have created like a new world with The Sims. I've never really recorded on YouTube before, but well, I am today, and so I've got The Sims, and my Sim here, her name is she's a girl, obviously. Well, not obviously, but you can tell she's a girl. She's a teenager. Her name is Maddie Casa, because I like that name, Maddie. And like, yeah, and she has a little something, which is the dog. Oh my god, there it is! The little doggy, little puppy dog. Oh my god, it's so cute. Actually, she's really tired. Okay, yeah, she's sleeping now. Oh my god, the little puppy is so cute. Okay, he's sleeping as well, but little beagle named Muffin, because I mean, if he looks like a muffin sort of. Muffin Carter. Yeah, Muffin Carter is the name of the doggy. And that's what it's. Oh god, she's got a pee. Take a picture to not pee. Go pee. Go on, go pee. So sorry I haven't been uploading very often. It's just that I've been sick lately and so busy with school because we just no, didn't just start. I'm term two already, but you know, I've been very busy and not quite sick, but a little sick on I was sick on the holidays and I've been sick up till now as well, which is so fun. Yippee! So going into winter, I always get colds around winter, but yeah. Anyway, so along with this YouTube video. Hello there, I just wanted to welcome you to the community and mine, that's a lovely neck you have! Oh my god, he must be a vampire. And because they're like attracted to necks. Oh my god, that is so weird. Send text to where is the guy that just texted me? He's not here. Clubs. Invites. Let's send a text message to Muffin to wake up. Yippee. And so I've been sick quite often lately, so that's why I've been uploading. But I'm gonna upload today, as you can tell. So she's a bit hungry. She's hungry. Cereal. Yeah, some cereal for breakfast. Yes, you're hungry. And my puppy dog, he's okay. Have you filled up his basket? No, just fill up bowl after that. And then we should be good. Oh, and for the dog, I made a little doggy room. All the doggy stuff was like originally in this room here, but I moved it over to here because like it's just free more space. So it's got like a little toy box there for dog. There's like there's a bed. It's got full on a bird's head. Like it's a bird, except it's just the head. There's like a little tunnel we can run around. And I can't actually click that or whatever to make him to tell him to run around this and pee stuff, I don't know, and a blanket. You do it for him to like rub his head on or something. I can't click that either. It's just like go here. Whatever. And I live in this really cool like old English house. It really reminds me of England and everything. And so see like all these like, little cottages around here and everything. Yeah, it's like, the house here. Remember I tried to build a roof for it because the roof wasn't showing up, but like it does show up. You search up roof, like roof. Wait, it's not coming up. Yeah, it's like a nice old English house anyway. So we do have a roof. Big roof. It's a cute roof. It's a cute house. What are you doing outside? You're eating your cereal outside. It's very strange. Now you're jogging to the kitchen to clean up. Oh my god, I got this Penguin TV because all the other TVs were too expensive since you don't have that much money. Like you don't have that much money at all. They only got $4,256, and so I bought this little Penguin TV. And the dog started watching it the other day as well. It was so cute. Um, what's what are you doing, little puppy? Oh my god, you're so dirty. Let me clean you. Like, let me buy a bar. Let me buy a doggy bar. Um, no, I just buy a bar. Bath, bathroom, 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 bathroom. Let's get these baths are expensive. Discomfort really. Okay, this bath's good enough. Where can it go? Can it fit in the bathroom? Of course. It's me here. Okay, let's move this. Where do you want to move it to? Okay. Alright, can you bath dog now? Take a mud bath. Give Muffin a bath. And you can do that before you go to school, and then we will have happy days. Yippee! Nope, is there a pile of trash there? Yep, there is, right there. Let's watch you give Muffin a bath, eh? Oh, woo woo doo doo. Where you going, dog? Ah! You know what are you doing, Maddie? You're taking a selfie, and selfie is taking interesting. Okay, you've gone to school now as well. Alright, uh-oh. Take Muffin alone. There he is. He's gone to sleep now, I think. Dance machine lesson. Maddie's off to school. Yippee. Bathroom cash. While taking a quick break, Maddie spies some money just sitting on the sink in the bathroom. Should she slide it in her locker for safekeeping or principal right way? Let's just save. Let's get an extra few pennies. Oh, that's interesting music. The lost money gets reported, and the principal orders a full locker sweep. Maddie gets caught with the money and sent to detention. Aww, that's sad. Muffin aged up! Muffin has grown from a puppy to an adult doggy. She can now swim, climb stairs, go for a walk, and start learning tricks. If not spayed, she can now mate with other dogs. Hooray for Muffin! Oh, but Muffin's not a puppy anymore. Muffin's an adorable puppy. But Muffin's still cute. And great content is I don't care about vegetables. I'm sorry. I don't get that really. And Maddie's now home and she's going to watch. She is now watching Civic Public Access. Can you take your doggy for a walk, please? Wake up, Muffin. You're tense from school, I think. No, you need fun so after you can watch TV. Or you can take a bath with a soak. Take a bath with a soak after you take Muffin for a walk. Encourage misbehavior. Pet calmly. And let's find take dog for a walk. More choices. Training. Speak, sit, roll over, lay down, fetch. And then you probably let's try to sit. You're bored. Anyway, I also have a message. I'm sorry. I need to look after my doggy and take it for walks. Whee! More choices. Friendly. Avoid. I take it for a walk. Let's brush him. I want to go for a walk. More choices. Maybe some pet care. Change outfit. Go on a walk. Here it is. Long walk, medium walk, short walk, medium walk. Responsibility. Oh boy. Where's the party at? From Dance Machine. I need to have dancing apparently. Let's practice my singing. So, because singing up. Jump to play line. Let me take my dog. You need to. What is this? Medium walk. Okay, you're going to go for the medium walk. When you come back, you can go shower. Don't worry about practicing singing. Now you can take a tobacco sense. Oh, I like the sound of lavender foam. Okay, guys, I think this is going to be it for today's video, considering it's and everything. And I will get my Sam back on track, don't you worry. So, I guess I'll make another video next week. Alright then. Bye, guys!